Hey everyone, it's Danielle with the Victorious Planner and welcome to my channel. Today it is time for another ButcherBox unboxing. So ButcherBox is a meat delivery service or a subscription plan where you can get meat delivered directly to your door. They offer 100% grass-fed beef, free-range organic chicken, humanely raised pork, and wild-caught seafood. And again, it comes directly to your door. So, love the convenience and we love the quality of their meat. So let's get into this. I'm going to share with you what we got in this box, and then towards the end of the video, I will share with you the deals that I can offer you if you sign up through my link, which will be in the description of this video. So we are up close and personal right away because this box is very large. But if I can do this without hitting the camera, if you've watched my unboxings before, you know I just really like to show you as best I can. I might have to find a better way to do this at some point, but I like to show you what the box is like that it comes in, just so you can see. So, very thick cardboard box with a very thick cover on it as well. So it's very insulated, stays really cold while it's on its way to you. The top, this is our dry ice. Oh, and look at that. We do have a little dry ice left in that bag this time. Sometimes it's all the way melted by the time it reaches us, but we've never had a box where the meat was all the way thawed or too warm. Now, if it is, ButcherBox will allow you to return it, and they always keep you posted on when the box is shipping, if it gets delayed, and they're always reminding you to reach out to them and let you know if anything arrives, you know, less than top quality, which is awesome. All right, so there you can see in the box, all of this stuff is very much still frozen, but there was some dry ice left, so that makes sense. I'm gonna move this to the side and we'll show you what we got. So the current plan that we are on, there are different kinds of boxes that you can get, and we are currently doing a custom box. When you do a custom box, you can choose between receiving 6 cuts of meat or 12 cuts of meat. A 6-cut box is $169 and a 12-cut box is $306. All right, and they have a lot of different cuts to choose from, and it changes sometimes. Like, it's not always the same exact things that you get to choose from. Okay, so this is a whole chicken. We've been getting a lot of whole chickens lately because we have a smoker now, and smoking a whole chicken has become one of our favorite things to do. It is so good. So let's get this out. We got 2 of them. Look at those. This one's a beaut. This one's a little bit bigger. This one's 5 pounds. This one's 3.89. So 2 whole chickens. And then, oh yes, we got a pack of raw Gulf shrimp. Their seafood is really good. And then we got a pack of chicken thighs. So you get about 3 pounds in a lot of their different like chicken. These are chicken thighs. You can do chicken tenders, you can do chicken breasts. All right, and then we did ribeyes. Ooh. So we did do ribeyes. We got 4 ribeyes. And one thing I want to point out about the custom box, as you are selecting your cuts of meat, pay close attention to the notes under each cut of meat because it varies. So like I said, we do the 6-cut classic custom box, so we get 6 picks. But for example, with the ribeyes, 1 pick is actually 2 ribeye steaks. So it just depends. You need to look at it. 1 pick would be 2 ribeyes, 1 whole chicken. Chicken thighs, you actually get 3 pounds in 1 pick. So here's our 6 picks: 2 chickens, 2 sets of ribeyes, shrimp, and chicken thighs. I think that's all 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. And then also, I've mentioned this before if you've watched my unboxing videos, but we have a couple for life deals on our membership. One of those is ground beef. So we get 2 pounds of ground beef in every single box that we get, no matter what plan we're on. And it'll be that way for the life of our membership. It will go away if we cancel. And then we also get 1 pack of bacon in every box. So pay attention for those deals. I think recently we had one that was a 4 Life bacon deal, but I think that one's passed, but that's something you can watch for in the future as well. Okay, so let's talk about, well, real quick before I share with you the deal that I can offer you, I do want to share that the custom box is a little more expensive. You don't have to go with a custom box. You can actually go with one of their curated boxes where they choose the specific cuts of meat that you'll receive. And those boxes are $146 a box. So that will be your cheapest option. And then you get to choose if you want that box to be a mixed box, which would include beef, pork, and chicken. But again, you don't get to pick the specific cuts, but the mixed box has beef, pork, and chicken. You can do a box that just has beef and pork. You can do a box that just has beef and chicken, or you can do an all beef box. So you do get to have a little bit of say in what you receive when you go with a curated box. All right, finally, you guys, if you sign up for ButcherBox, if you don't have a subscription yet and you sign up using my link, which will be in the description of this video, you will get free chicken breasts for a year, for a year. So for a full year of your membership, every box you get, you will get chicken breasts. So these are thighs, but we've gotten their chicken breasts before, and that's a pack just like this that you'll get of chicken breasts in every one of your boxes for a full year. And then you'll also get $30 off of your first box. So that price I quoted, the $146, could actually be $116 for your first box if you chose a curated box, or even just a custom box you could get at $139 instead of $169. So if you want to try ButcherBox, if you haven't tried it yet, consider using my link. I realize that this sort of thing is not in everyone's budget. That's okay. Do not stress if it's not, but if high quality meat's important to you, see if you can find a way to get it in your budget, or at least supplement. We still buy meat from the grocery store. We supplement because we're not to the point of being able to have one of these boxes come like every week and just eat this. So we still do eat meat from the grocery store. Do what you can do. All right, you guys, let me know if you have comments, questions, comment those below. And thank you guys for checking out another unboxing with me, and I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye.